If it's fresh air you're after, the Humber Bridge is a pretty good walk. It's also the gateway to the UK's new COVID hotspot. The Royal Infirmary in Hull has lost 50 patients to coronavirus in the past fortnight. The boss here is scaling up their response, redeploying staff, and says the English lockdown restrictions are no longer enough in this city.
A lot of people are almost going about their normal lives. I think we need tighter restrictions. We saw how the total lockdown in wave 1 worked, and I think we need to be looking much more at that sort of approach as we approach the peak of wave 2.
So for you, that would include schools in Hull?
I'm afraid it would have to, and in other parts of the country, of course.
At Hull's marina, the dog walkers were out. Pi, the greyhound, was hungry.
Drop, leave it.
A lot of people want to spend Christmas with their families. It's like you've got to knuckle down now and follow the rules.
Kids are very asymptomatic as a general rule, but they're one of the higher sort of vectors for it spreading. So I think possibly we really should have locked the schools down again.
Yeah.
I think some people are really paranoid about it and some people are quite laissez-faire. And I think it's really difficult. There's such diverse views across the city. I think people want to do the right thing, but I think they've got a little bit punch-drunk and I think a little bit tired of it, if I'm honest with you.
Also out clearing her head was Cynthia, who works at the hospital.
People are dying from this. It's affecting a lot of people. It's tempting to want to visit loved ones as much as you can. I would love to go to London and visit my family. I miss them a lot. But I have to obey the rules, and there's a lockdown for a reason.
Everyone here is being asked to do their bit. This is the pressure point for Humberside, the point that so many other areas of the north of England have faced in this second wave. The next few weeks here will test the health service to its absolute limit. This city fared relatively well in the first phase of the virus in the spring, but this tide has now turned. Tom Parmenter, Sky News, Humberside.